Most people leave money on the table every time they fill up their tank. Not because fuel discounts are complicated, but because they don't know the exact steps to activate them. Here's the truth no one tells you. The biggest savings often come from simple memberships people forget to use. Quick promise. In this video, you'll learn exactly how the Walmart fuel discount works in 2026, how to activate it, where you can use it, and how to make sure you never miss a discount again. Let's start with the basics. Walmart fuel savings are part of the Walmart Plus membership system. That means you need an active membership to unlock most discounts. Without it, you usually pay full price like everyone else. Now here's where it gets interesting. The discount does not apply everywhere. It only works at participating fuel stations, and that list can change depending on location and partnerships. Step 1 is setting up your Walmart Plus account. Open the Walmart app or website, sign in, and confirm your membership is active. If your trial or subscription is inactive, the fuel discount will not appear at checkout. Step 2 is finding eligible fuel stations. Inside the Walmart app, there is a fuel section or fuel savings area. This will show nearby participating stations. Think of it like a map that only highlights stations where discounts apply. But here's the problem most people run into. They assume any gas station near Walmart will work. That is not true. Only specific partner stations qualify, and using the wrong one means you get zero discount. Step 3 is activation at the pump or inside the app. Depending on the station, you may either scan a QR code, enter your Walmart Plus ID, or use a linked payment method. The system verifies your membership before applying the discount. Now imagine this example. Jake pulls into a gas station thinking the discount will apply automatically. He fills up, pays, and realizes later he never activated anything. No discount was applied. That is the mistake you want to avoid. Step 4 is linking payment properly. In some cases, you must connect your Walmart Plus account to a payment method like a debit or credit card. This allows automatic savings when you use participating stations. Step 5 is checking your receipt. Always confirm the discount was applied. It usually appears as a line item or reduced per gallon price. If you do not see it, you likely used a non-partner station or forgot activation. Now, here is something important. Fuel partnerships can change. What works in one city may not work in another, so always check the app before you drive. So to wrap it up, using Walmart fuel discounts in 2026 comes down to 5 things. Having an active membership, finding an active membership, finding partner stations, activating the discount, using the right payment method, and verifying your savings. If you remember one thing, it is this. The discount does not happen automatically. You have to trigger it. If this helped you save money, like the video, comment your questions and subscribe for more simple money-saving guides like this.